Let's look at some of the examples. In a parallelogram ABCD, given below AD is 12. So if this side is 12, this side will also be 12. And I know these two sides are parallel to each other. So I know this angle and this angle will be equal, and this angle and this angle will be equal. Now what is given to you is, if the area of ABE, this triangle ABE is what I am talking about, is 3/8 the area of parallelogram ABCD, then EC is. Now whenever you have questions related to areas, you need to know what is the perpendicular height. So if I draw for this triangle, the perpendicular height, it could be drawn inside or outside. If I draw it for, let me call this as H. And if I draw it for the triangle, the perpendicular height will be outside the triangle, again H. So if I just apply the formula ABE, the area is half into base, the base will be BE, into height will be H. Note that height of both the triangle and the parallelogram would be same. This area is 3/8 the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is given by base into height. So if you look here, H will get cancelled out. I can just cancel it out with 4. 4 into 3, the value of BE comes out to be 9 units. So AC, I'm left with 3. So EC is 3 units. Let's look at another example. In the figure given below, equilateral triangle BEG is inscribed in a square ACDF. The area of the square is 16. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So area of the square is A square, which is equal to 16. So that means the side of a square comes out to be 4. So this side is 4, this side is 4. Now if you look at it, BE and CD are parallel and between the same set of parallel lines. So the length of BE also becomes 4. So that means this also becomes 4 and this also becomes 4 because it is given to you that it's an equilateral triangle. Now, if I am inscribing an equilateral triangle, that is only possible if G is symmetrically placed between E and F. The length of AF is 4, so the length of AG would be 2 and the length of GF would also be 2. Now, applying Pythagoras theorem in this, I would get 4 square is equal to 2 square plus AP square. So it will be 16 minus 4 square root, that will give me the length of AB. So it is 12 square root, I can write it as 2 root 3. So the perimeter would be sum of all the sides, 2 plus 4, which is 6, plus 2 root 3, giving me option number D as my answer. Let's look at another example. In the figure given below, BC is equal to 8 and CD is equal to 4 root 2, and angle BCD is 3 times angle CDA. What is the area of parallelogram ABCD? Now in case of parallelogram, I know that the opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel. So this is what I know, and I know that the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. And it is given to me in the question that angle BCD is 3 times angle CDA. So if I add them and put it equal to 180 degree, I'll get the measure of angle ADC. ADC comes out to be 45 degrees. Now to find out the area of parallelogram, I will use the formula AD into DC into sine of the angle between them. This is the formula for area of parallelogram. So which is 8 into 4 root 2 into sine of 45 degree, sine of 45 degree. So if I just calculate the things, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, I'll get my answer as 32. So 32 is the area of this parallelogram. Another example, the figure below represents a rectangular garden with a walkway around it. The garden is 18 feet long. It's a rectangular garden. So I need to understand that the opposite pair of sides will be equal and parallel. The walkway uniformly 3 feet wide and its edges meets at right angle. What is the area of the walkway? So if you look here, this is 3 and this is also 3. This side is 3, this side is 3. So if you look at, this will be like a bigger rectangle with side length equals to 24. And here it will again be 3 and 3. So this will be 18. If I have to find the area of walkway, one formula that you can apply is area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle. So bigger minus smaller would give you the area of walkway. Area of rectangle is length into width and area of smaller will again be length into width. This will be the area of walkway. I can take 18 common, it will be 24 into 12. So if I just do it, it will be 18 into 12. That will be my answer for the area of walkway, which is 216 unit square. The unit here is feet, so this will be feet square. Okay.